Today we're going to be working on Johnny's Turbo 635 CSI. He's been having some clutch issues lately, and we narrowed it down to the slave cylinder here, so I'm going to show you guys how we replace that, and hopefully we get to drive it a bit too. Alright, so the tools needed for this job is 13mm. Those are going to be the two nuts holding on the slave cylinder. Then the bleed screw should be a 7mm, and the clutch line should be 11. Johnny's an idiot, and we just have a crescent wrench, so we'll make that work. Alright, under the car we can see that the slave cylinder is just leaking out of the bleed screw right here. We already tried to seal it once, but it didn't really work, so we're just going to go ahead and replace it. Alright, removing the last nut here. Once that's off, you should be able to pull this out and bring it down. And once you have it off like this, it'll be a lot easier to access any lines that you need to. And then you can also, put the line in a container to save the old fluid. Alright, now that we have both of them out, you can tell that the FTE one that was broken is really cheap and plastic and doesn't feel very good, where the new ATE one we got is fully metal, heavy duty, doesn't seem like it'll break, so definitely buy from a trusted brand. Alright, now that we've got the slave cylinder installed, we're going to go ahead and bleed the clutch. Easiest way we found to do this is with the power bleeder. So I'm going to put pressure on it, and I don't recommend going above 4 or 5 psi, and that should really be all it takes to go ahead and bleed it. Hurt air. Oh Jesus.